Alright, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And as you guys know, the Reggae Boyz will be participating in a 4-team mini tournament in Austria this August. I think the tournament kicks off next week. Actually, the team will travel on the 17th of August, which is, as I said, next week. Now, it's official now that Merron Garden is the coach of the team who will take the team through this 4-team mini tournament, and Vassal Reynolds will be his assistant coach. Now, let me give you guys of some of the players for those who don't know the players that will be a part of the team. Here are some of the names. We have Shamar Dyer, O'Shane Staple, we have Ordalan Arden, Trayvon Reed, Colorado Murray, and Anthony Bennett, Peter McGregor. So these are the players from Harborview and one from Dumberholen in Peter McGregor. And these are the other players. We have Eric Edwards, Kemar Foster, we have Amal Knight of Harborview. And for those who don't know, I'm going to call the names of the club that these players are coming from. We have Odean Pennycook from Tivoli Garden, Eric Edwards from Arnett Garden, as I mentioned, goalkeeper. Anthony Bennett, Harborview, goalkeeper. The earlier names that I call are from Harborview players. Richard King, Cavaliers. Earl Simpson, defender, Arnett Garden. Ricardo Thomas, right back, left back, Waterhouse. Kimani Campbell, left back, Waterhouse. Nicole Christian, Dumberholen central midfield / number 10. And Fabian McCarthy, defensive midfield / central midfield, Dumberholen. Christian is also from Dumberholen as well. Alwyn Harvey, CM / CDM, Mount Pleasant. Ronaldo Webster, Cavaliers winger. Dwayne Busy Atkinson, Cavaliers as well as a winger. Then Demario Phillips, midfielder / right back. He can play a variety of positions. That's Phillips. He can play a variety of positions. So he can play right midfield, left midfield, right back, left back, attacking midfield, right wing, left wing, even strike. He's a definitely a utility type player. Of that notice, Tyrick Zimenez. We have Jordan Fletcher as well. I think Jordan Fletcher is the only player who is not playing in the local league who will be a part of this squad. That's what I know right now. So as soon as more information has been released, these are all the players, and I've mentioned roughly about 20-21 players. So it won't be much added on to this particular bunch of players. So these are the players. I'm not sure if there's going to be a squad cutting at the end of this week, but this is the second week of training camp. Last week they had from Monday to Friday. This week again another Monday to Friday, and I think that they will be traveling next week. So let's see how that one goes in regards to preparation. But let me go back to what I started off with. Said Merron Garden is the official coach of the Reggae Boyz, who will take the Reggae Boyz through this mini tournament, 4-team tournament, and most definitely Vassal Reynolds will be his assistant coach in this time. I'm not sure who will be the traveling delegations for this time out, but most definitely as the information comes, I'll give it to you. I will give it to you guys, just relate to you guys so you guys know what's happening. So you guys can go and check it out. Let's see what you think about these players. I'm not saying that this team is a team that is a world beater team. Most definitely this team is about experience. This team is about giving exposure. This team is actually strongly constructed around a monetary basis, in which how much of these players we can get on contracts overseas or make other top scouts see these players. So this is what this team is most definitely about. And as you know, it is not in a FIFA window, so that is also something that most of us would have to factor in. But that's enough information, people. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you do want to get all the updates, hit that subscribe button, people. And it's important, let me remind you guys, if you haven't done so as yet, turn on your notification bells, people. It's really important that you do so you don't miss a video of valid and important information passing you by, and that you are left in the dark, and you don't want to be in the dark. That's not where you want to be, right? So hit that notification bell, people. Please do so, and make sure you hit the like on this video and share the content, people. Let other people see what's happening. Let other people know what's happening. Don't keep the information to yourself, people. Share the video. Let them know what's happening. Thank you very much again, people, for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Hopefully, you guys have a good day and enjoy yourself, people. Have a good one. We're out, people.